Cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin, have been absolutely crushed and devastated, including the stock market. A lot of tech stocks have been absolutely crushed, but we are starting to see some life for cryptocurrencies, for the stock market, and for specifically Dogecoin. But there's going to be a very big possible event that's going to be happening tomorrow. So stay tuned into the end of the video because I need to share these important details with you. All right, so we know that the futures contracts of Ethereum and Bitcoin are going to be expiring tomorrow, and a lot of us are expecting some volatility, either to the upside or to the downside. So let me know in the comments below, do you think Dogecoin is going to go up or down based on tomorrow? Do you think Dogecoin is going to be affected based on tomorrow with all these option contracts expiring? Put it in the comments below and let's talk about it. Guys, do me a favor. If you want to see Dogecoin go to the moon this weekend, smash that like button. Let's get Doge to the moon. If you're new to the channel, my name is Myles and I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. In my videos, I cover cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin, and I call out big plays before they happen. So if you want to make a lot of money with cryptocurrencies, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss a single video. Also, if you want to go ahead and join the Discord, you can do so through the Patreon link. We have over 600 members. We talk about stocks and cryptos, and a lot of my members, including myself, are putting out really big call and trade alerts to buy cryptos, to buy stocks, and they're making a lot of money. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out, and you can also check out my services on my Patreon website. Okay, so last night was absolutely critical. It was scary to see Ethereum. It was scary to see Bitcoin. It was scary to see Dogecoin and Cardano dip. But like I said, we are starting to see some life for our favorite cryptos and for our stock market. This is a very good sign that we have corrected a little bit, but that we are reversing to the upside, that we are now going to go up. We went into the dip, and now those prices have been made so cheap. Now the big whales, now a lot of people can start accumulating our favorite cryptos at these prices, which is going to bring it up to higher heights. Remember, we are still in a bull run and we are still headed up, but sometimes we have to take pit stops, and these pit stops are called corrections. They're very healthy. They're very healthy. They help to bring up us to higher levels each and every time. We need this in order to get to higher levels because it helps us to gain greater momentum. Just like you see a ball when it is dropped, when it's dropped at further heights, it bounces up higher. So we are going to be seeing this. We are seeing this bounce right now, and it's unfolding even during these moments as I'm speaking. But I believe tomorrow is going to be an absolute massive day in the stock market and for the entire crypto world, because it's very important, because we have the Bitcoin and Ethereum futures. Those contracts are expiring tomorrow, which means there's a lot of people shorting Bitcoin and Ethereum. There's a lot of people shorting Dogecoin, a lot of people shorting these smaller coins. And some of these contracts, especially the main ones with Bitcoin and Ethereum, are expiring tomorrow. And so what happens is people have to cover their shorts. People are buying their shorts. People are buying more to cover their losses. And so many things are happening, which causes the price to be pushed down. That's what's basically going on. When there's a lot of shorts and there's a lot of calls and a lot of things going on, there is a lot of market manipulation, which is keeping these prices from hitting absolute to the moon. So what we are going to do is we're going to be taking a look at some technical analysis, take a look at Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, and then we're going to finish it off with Doge, some price predictions, and what I think is going to be happening with our favorite Dogecoin. All right, so what we're looking at now, we're looking at a daily chart, which is a big time frame, and we are seeing Bitcoin, and we're seeing this pattern. Look, we go up, come down, we go up, we come down. But let's take a look at these corrections again. Let's see how much we corrected. All in all, we corrected 18%, but it looks like we are reversing, which is a very good sign. We could have headed to further levels down below, but I don't think that's going to be happening, especially with these contracts tomorrow, them expiring. I think we are going to see a massive pump, a reversal to the upside, and we're going to start to see some green candles. And if we take a look at the 2-hour chart, we are seeing this possible reversal happening right here. It's very critical for what happens next within the next day, within the next couple of days, if we continue our reversal to the upside, and if we can continue to pump to all-time highs, which can be very possible. Bitcoin and Ethereum can pump very quickly. We're taking a look at Ethereum. Same thing with Ethereum. Let's see how much we corrected all in all. All in all, we corrected 20%. That is not that big, guys. That is not massive. That is healthy. That's healthy in a bull run to see 20%, to see 30% even corrections. But we haven't even got to that point, which is very good news. But it looks like we are starting to see some life in Ethereum, that we are starting to hold the $1,600 level. And I love this price for Ethereum. It is so cheap. Same thing with Cardano, but Cardano is actually holding up a lot better. It had reversed earlier and it has been pumping longer. So I think Cardano is headed to the moon. And let's take a look at Doge. We are seeing very similar patterns for Doge, but because this is the Dogecoin channel, we are going to be breaking down Dogecoin on an even further level. And a lot of you are asking, how much have we corrected? Look, 18%. Since that last high that we hit, we've only corrected 18%. And this is incredible because Dogecoin is continuing to hold very strongly. Dogecoin is holding up stronger than Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's even holding stronger than Cardano, which is an incredible sign. It shows you the strength. It shows you the diamond hands and the people that are holding this. When something goes constantly up and down, there's a lot of people shorting it. There's a lot of people going long. There's a lot of market manipulation, but we do not see that much market manipulation in Dogecoin. So Dogecoin continues to hold above the 5-cent level, which is absolutely insane. And yesterday could have been today, we did break down below 5 cents, but it did not last very long. We didn't even close on a 30-minute chart, which shows just the wick. Shows a very strong level of support at the 5-cent level. So whenever you see Dogecoin hit the 5-cent level, you can be assured that that could be a potentially an amazing buying opportunity, because it always bounces off the 5-cent level. And if something always bounces off that level of support, that is when you want to buy, because it bounces up and you know it's going to go up, which from that point we saw 6% gains from that bottom, which is incredible. I believe we are going to continue to pump with Dogecoin. But guys, with my price prediction, I believe tomorrow, if Bitcoin and Ethereum can pump with these contracts expiring, them getting finished, all of those shorts getting out of the market, I think Dogecoin could potentially pump massively to 6 cents and above, that we can get back to where we were. Above 6 cents, that's where we need to be, that's where we want to be. But we have a lot of support coming into Doge. We are seeing this live right now, that Dogecoin did not break down to those levels that a lot of people feared. So that we are holding strong is a very bullish sign, and that's what you need to be aware of. So if you guys like today's video, please smash that like button, subscribe, and put in the comments below any question you want to talk to me about. You can do so. You guys can also join the Discord, talk to me about anything. We have an awesome, loving community there. So I will see you guys in the next video.